and then when you're dragging out the fine haze, even up here, you can use your pastel pencil and sharpen it a bit more, or you can use a coloured pencil, a white coloured pencil, and that's what I'm using here. You can see how much sharper I can get the white coloured pencil. I don't use it hardly anywhere except for haze whiskers, but especially the ones that come over the background where I need them super fine. You see, they're very, very fine, but that's another area where the viewer's going to pay a lot of attention. So I need the details there where I can do without a lot of the other details in an area where the viewer's definitely going to be looking at because of the lighting effect. That's where I need fine detail. We've even got a couple of hairs up here as well. And here I'm just using my Cretacolor on the side just to darken that right down. So that's much darker then than a pastel pencil. And all that's left to do are the whiskers. So either sharpen the pastel right up, like this, okay, or use coloured pencil sharpened right up. And that's a coloured pencil. Okay, so it depends if you need a very bright white marking, and I'm not putting them in super bright myself. If you need it really, really bright, use a pastel pencil. If you want it very fine and perhaps a bit more subtle, definitely use a coloured pencil. Okay, because you will not get the same whiteness on top of pastel layers that's already down there using a coloured pencil. So that's what I say, if you want it really bright, you're going to use a pastel pencil. Now the thing with whiskers, take your time. I'm touching the surface every now and again, I'm softening everything down. Okay, you see, take your time then, put in a nice confident stroke. Now if you're using coloured pencil, you can't really blend the lines back out. The only type of way you're doing with softening them with coloured pencil, you're smudging a bit of pastel over the surface of it. Okay, because you don't want these standing out too much, especially if, like those two, they're in a shaded area. Hope you've enjoyed this really short video. Remember, it's just a clip from my Patreon full version of this video, and if you join the 1,400 plus other members on my Patreon channel learning from me, you get access to hundreds and hundreds of hours of other videos as well at the same time. Hope to see you there real soon.